Hasan's participation in a mosque cleaning activity. Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to tell you about Hasan's participation in a mosque cleaning activity. Last weekend, Hasan took part in a mosque cleaning activity organized by the Youth Association in his village. It was a meaningful and valuable experience for him. Early in the morning, Hasan and his friends gathered at the mosque. They brought cleaning equipment such as brooms and dust cloths. After arriving, they divided the tasks among themselves. Hasan was responsible for sweeping the prayer area and arranging copies of the Quran neatly. He felt happy and proud because cleanliness is very important in Islam and is considered part of faith. After they finished all the work, they prayed together. Then they listened to a short reminder from the Imam about the virtues and rewards of serving and taking care of the mosque. From this experience, Hasan learned the importance of cooperation, responsibility, and maintaining the cleanliness of places of worship. He was grateful to be able to contribute to his community in a positive way. Thank you for listening.